Creamy Cajun Chicken Pasta is one of those easy mid-weekers that takes hardly any time to prepare, and you know it will result in clean plates all round. We're going to add some Cajun spice, lemon juice and oil to a bowl, and then we're going to pop in our chicken breasts. You can marinate this if you want to get more flavour on the chicken, but I find that if you just simply work it into the chicken breasts and just let it sit while you prepare the other ingredients, it's going to be tasty enough as is. Get your pasta on, make sure to season it with some salt, and then we're going to cook the chicken. Now, as you can see in this video, I'm going to pan fry them, but you could do them in the air fryer. Just pop them in, make sure that they are fully cooked through. Now, this is one of those recipes that I think is essential that you use a meat thermometer for, especially when you're pan frying chicken. 74 degrees, take it out, and that is good to go. If you don't have a meat thermometer, there's the one that I use in the description below. I use it all the time when I'm cooking. Remove the chicken, wrap it up in foil to keep it warm, fry your onion and pepper, add in your garlic and Cajun spice, and just give it a further minute or so. And then to that, we're going to add in 1 can of chopped tomatoes, along with some oregano, a little bit of lemon juice, and we're going to stir that through and just again simmer it until it thickens up a little bit. Then the last thing we're going to do, just as the pasta is almost ready, is to add in some pasta water. That just helps give the pasta sauce a nice silky texture. And then we're going to stir in some low-fat cream cheese. If you're not arsed about the calories, you can easily use the full-fat stuff, totally up to you. And then add that into the cooked pasta once you've drained it, obvs, and mix it all through so it's nicely combined. Don't just put a dollop of sauce on top of the pasta. Combine it before plating it up.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
If you'd like the full written recipe for this, you can download it along with a load of others in my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!